everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Simply Gilded Serene Seas box. I love this ocean theme and the blue colors, and I'm really excited to open it up and see what's inside. So let's start off with this box, and normally I don't show this part, but it is a work of art in itself, and if you're part of the Simply Gilded Facebook group, which you totally should be, you'll see that people are doing all kinds of really awesome crafts with this. They've turned it into TNs, they've turned them into folders, and bookmarks. I've cut out just this portion here and made pocket folders. It is just so neat the things that people are coming up with using this. And then we have the inventory card, which shows everything that's included in the June 2018 Serene Seas box. Then we have a really stunning pin this month. It's gold hardware with a pearl on the top, and this is a twist pin. This is going to look so great with so many different ocean and summer themes. Next up are this month's sticky notes. It's gold foil on the border, lots of pages, and a really pretty blue and purple watercolor print on the background. This month's journaling card comes with a gold foiled quote that says, "I want to visit the ocean, sea salt and sun sparkling, the healing waters and serene song are like medicine for my soul." It's really pretty. Next up is this month's Traveler's Notebook insert. Of course, it can be used just as a regular notebook that you stick in your purse or keep around on your desk for those last-minute lists. They are gold foiled, the bow on the little seahorse, and the quote on the back which says, "I feel free in the sea." And the inside is blank. Got sewn binding here, so definitely a great quality insert. Then we have this sheet of labels, and they are also gold foiled. These are so cute, and I've seen some really pretty stacked bookmarks being made with these. Lots of really fun ideas. Again, if you're not in the Facebook group, you should definitely join. There are so many wonderful projects going on in there that just inspire me so much to try some, and I think these will be made into a bookmark as soon as I get the courage to take them off this backing paper. Next up, we have 2 sheets of foiled stickers, so we'll start here. We've got some headers and deco, some fish with meal plan and appointment script, seahorses, banner flags, and 3 full boxes. I love this mermaid scale print here. And then we've got some date covers and headers, all foiled. There we go. Some more banner flags, checklist. It's a really pretty script that she uses. I love that font. Then we have some foiled die cut stickers, so these can be used as regular die cuts, or you can peel the backing off and use them as stickers, so it's whatever your preference is. So we've got a few of these, some shells, whales, and the eyelashes on this whale are foiled, so cute. Shells, some fish, and a couple of seahorses. And I've seen people using these backing cards, laminating them, trimming them, and using them as bookmarks or as washi sampler holders, so lots of fun ideas to do that. And our main attraction is, of course, these beautiful washi tapes, which are included in every month's box. So here we have skinny script with some foiled bows, different phrases, some sea-themed washi with foiling throughout, some starfish, fish, and florals, and this really pretty mermaid scale foiled tape. And then we have this set of just absolutely gorgeous foiled bows. I love this color, and it goes so great with this kit. This theme is just so perfect for summer, and I'm really excited to do some fun layouts using this. And that does it for this unboxing. Be sure to check out the description below for a link to the Simply Gilded website where you can find all of the information you need for subscribing to this amazing monthly box. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!